In this video, I will show you how you can add and use a Gmail address on any iPad. Now to do that, just go to Settings. And under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the Mail app. Then tap on it. From here, just tap on Mail Accounts. As you can see, we only have an iCloud account added to our iPad. Now if you want to add a Gmail address, just tap on Add Account. Then select Choose from a list. From this menu, just select Google and tap on Open Browser. Now in this section, just enter your Gmail address. After you enter your Gmail address, then tap on Next. And in this section, just enter the password of your Gmail address. After you enter the password of your Gmail address, then tap on Next and select Continue. Now just scroll down and tap on Continue. Now after you do that, just select the services which you want to enable using this Gmail address. After you do that, then just tap on Save. As you can see, we have successfully added a Gmail address to our iPad. Now if I tap on Gmail, now let's tap on Account Settings. As you can see, we have successfully added this Gmail address. Now this Gmail address is saved as Gmail in our iPad. But if you want to add multiple Gmail addresses and if you want to name each of them differently, just tap on Gmail, then tap on Label. Now from here, just give a different name to this Gmail address. After you give a name to this Gmail address, then tap on Done. As you can see, we have successfully changed the Gmail address on our iPad. Now if I go to the home screen and if I open the Mail app, as you can see under the Mailboxes section, you have the option of iCloud and you have the option of your Gmail address. If you want to see the email which you have received on your Gmail address, just select your Gmail address and you will find all the mail which you have received on your email address. And similarly, if you go back to Settings and if you want to add another Gmail address, just tap on Add Account one more time, tap on Choose from a list, and from here just select Google. After that, just tap on Open Browser. Now just follow the steps I have mentioned earlier so you could completely set up your Gmail address. Now just enter your other Gmail address in this section. And as you can see, we have added our second Gmail address. Now if you want to change the name of this Gmail address, you can do it from here. Just like that. And this is how you can add and use Gmail address on any iPad. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.